Hi guys, a warm welcome to Software Skillful. We're diving right back into another insightful guide. In today's video, I'll be walking you through an incredibly detailed tutorial on boosting your Windows 10 and 11 performance with 10 expert tips, presented step by step. Let's get started. Make the top move by switching to High Performance Power Plan. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Now type Control and press OK. Click on Hardware and Sound. Go to Power option. Now give High Performance Power Plan. High Performance Power Plan for an astonishing boost in processing speed and overall system performance. Experience astonishingly fast performance with disk cleanup. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type clean mgr and press OK. The disk cleanup utility will open. Select all unnecessary files. Click OK to confirm your selection. This will freeing up valuable disk space on your system. Delete unnecessary files from your disk. Open Run dialog and type Temp and hit OK. Now press Windows key plus A. Now delete all files. Type again %temp% and hit Enter. Now delete all files. Open Run dialog box again and type Prefetch and hit OK. Delete all files. Activate Storage Sense by heading to Settings. Go to Storage, tap on Storage Sense to enable this feature, which smartly deletes unnecessary files from your Windows disk. Disable Startup Apps. Quickly launch the Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, navigate to the Startup section, then simply right-click to disable all unwanted apps. Turn on Game Mode and give high performance to apps. Navigate to Settings and access the Gaming section. Activate Game Mode for enhanced performance. High performance for apps. Open the graphics settings. Now you need to get app location to locate the app. Right-click to reveal the app's file location. Then copy this path. Click the Browse button and paste the copied location. Select the app and add it. Finally, click on Options and assign high performance to the app. Turn off transparency effects. Open Settings and click on Personalization, go to Colors. Now turn off transparency effect. Change boot time and enable number of processors. Press Windows key plus R, now type msconfig, now hit Enter. Go to Boot, now change 30 seconds to 3 seconds. Now click on Advanced Options, enable number of processors and give maximum number. Click OK. Apply and OK. Now restart your computer. Disable Windows tips. Open Settings. Now go to Notifications. Now turn off this. I'm confident that this video has contributed significantly to enhancing the performance of your computer. If you possess any inquiries or doubts, kindly post them in the comments section below. Please feel free to express your approval by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Anticipate our next remarkable video, and until then, take care.